In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a P2P payment method in gate.io. Here's how to do it. Open the Gate app. Click on P2P. Click on Profile at the bottom right corner. Now click on Payment Management. I already have a payment method, but if you don't have that, you're going to see Add Payment at the top. Click on it. Select your currency. Click on Payment Method. Now select the bank you want to use. If you have your bank listed here, just choose any of them. If you don't have your bank listed here, you can choose bank transfer. Put the name of your bank. Put the bank branch. Put the bank account number. After that, you click on Add. You have to set up Google Authenticator or put your number so that you can receive OTP. So I'm going to switch to SMS and click on Send. Copy the OTP and paste it here. Click on Confirm. A new payment has been added successfully. So that's how you add a payment method in gate.io. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.